Earning $80 million a month is an extremely ambitious goal and would require a combination of extraordinary circumstances, highly successful businesses, investments, and possibly some luck. While it's not impossible, it's important to note that achieving such a level of income would be an outlier and would require a unique set of circumstances. Here are a few general paths that some individuals have taken to achieve high levels of income, but please be aware that these paths are not guaranteed to lead to $80 million a month. Entrepreneurship and business success. Creating and scaling a successful business that caters to a large and growing market can potentially yield significant profits. Innovations, exceptional leadership, and a bit of luck can contribute to exceptional financial outcomes. High-growth industries such as technology, finance, and healthcare have seen individuals and companies achieve extraordinary levels of wealth. Investments and financial markets. Making shrewd investments in stocks, real estate, startups, or other assets can lead to substantial returns. However, investing involves risk, and there's no guaranteed way to consistently generate such high returns on a monthly basis. Celebrity and entertainment. High-profile celebrities, entertainers, and athletes often command lucrative endorsement deals, appearance fees, and royalties. Building a strong personal brand and achieving global recognition can open up opportunities for significant earnings. Intellectual property and licensing. Creating valuable intellectual property, such as patents, trademarks, or copyrighted works, and licensing these assets to other companies can generate substantial royalties. Online ventures and digital assets. In the digital age, individuals who have built large followings on platforms like social media, YouTube, or Twitch can monetize their influence through advertising, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and more. Highly specialized professions. Some specialized professions, such as top-tier medical specialists, legal experts, or consultants in rare and in-demand fields, can command extraordinarily high fees for their services. Combinations of multiple income streams. Often, achieving such high levels of income involves diversifying across multiple income streams. It's crucial to emphasize that these paths are not guaranteed, and achieving $80 million a month would be an extremely rare accomplishment.